The world's most modern stationary compressors. The result of 70 years of experience in designing compressors. With built-in safety, flawless design, remote control via your smartphone. We designed the new VERTICUS series with perfection in mind. The display and all main operating elements are easily accessible. The filter is quick and convenient to replace and is now located in the compressor's cold area, extending filter life. The second filter housing can be added for even longer cartridge life. An optional particulate filter gives effective protection against airborne particulate contamination. The integrated filling panel is available with 200 and 300 bar connections and with pressure reducer. Safety first. The filling levers are designed to prevent pressurized filling hoses from being opened by mistake when unconnected to gas cylinders. VERTICUS stands for safety and security. Safety where the health of your customers is involved, and security and liability issues. We guarantee compliance with all statutory limit values for breathing air, including carbon monoxide and dioxide, moisture, and oil. The gas measurement system monitors the air for these critical levels. If limits are briefly exceeded, the flush valve discharges the air to the outside. If limit values are exceeded for longer, the VERTICUS displays an alarm and automatically shuts down. A connection for test gases allows rapid system testing. The elements in the compressor room are designed for long life and easy maintenance. The new B-Drain automatic condensate drain system ensures that oil-water condensate is extracted at minimum loss of pressure, saving energy and prolonging the service life of pressurized parts. The condensate reservoir in the system interior now has 40% higher capacity. It is emptied using a convenient service valve. The optional oil level monitoring function prevents damage to the compressor and shuts down the system if oil levels are too low. The motor is suspended in an optimized anti-vibration frame and uses new high-efficiency hydro-dampening elements in a sophisticated soundproofing concept. In the super silent version, this cuts noise levels still further. The new intuitive B-Control micro compressor control unit displays all compressor functions and operating states. New on the compressor market. With B-App, your smartphone becomes a compressor remote control unit. Monitor key system values like air quality and final pressure and view important maintenance information. The app incorporates a dealer search, calculation tools, and the option of playing service videos on topics such as changing filters or oil. Form follows function is the design vision of the modern age. In designing the VERTICUS and Mini VERTICUS, our priorities were maximum safety at maximum performance, easy maintenance, simple operation, and long life for all components. We're proud of our new compressor, the closest possible to perfection.